Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Commonwealth app. So if you also want to update Commonwealth app, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the application is very crucial for security, performance and access to new features and bug fixes, ultimately leading to a better user experience. So if you also want to update Commonwealth app, for that first of all what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially you'll be in the game's interface. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the search interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is type in Commonwealth. Now simply search for it. Now you'll be able to find the results over here. What you have to do is find the application for Combank. Combank is basically the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, so simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If instead of open option you can see update option, all you have to do is tap on it. After that wait for a while and your application will be updated. But instead of update option, if you find the open option over here, that means your application is already updated and you're already using the latest version of the application. So like this you'll be able to update Commonwealth app. So that is how you update Commonwealth app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.